In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best carburetor cleaner. So let's get started. Number 7. WD40 Specialist. The popular brand WD-40's fast-acting carb/throttle body cleaner is our top pick for best carburetor cleaner. If you're looking for a cleaner carburetor in just a few minutes, this product will make the most of a few minutes' time. There's no dipping or scrubbing involved. Best of all, the product comes in a handy spray can with a convenient replaceable lid, so you can keep on cleaning as the days go by. There are many reasons why we chose WD-40's Carb Cleaner as our top pick. Many people get confused and don't always know the difference between the throttle body and carburetor cleaner. With WD-40's product, you don't have to know the difference. In fact, you can use it on both types of components with similar results. The aerosol can come in 13.5-ounce cans, which is more than enough for 2 or 3 carburetors/throttle bodies. Number 6. Gumout Jet Spray Carb. The easiest way to troubleshoot carburetor problems is to first clean the component, and Gumout's Jet Spray Carb Cleaner gets the job done right. Proven to improve engine performance in terms of horsepower, fuel economy, and rough idling behavior, Gumout's Carb Cleaner works quickly so you don't have to spend all day in the garage. Gumout made storage easy by fitting their Carb Cleaner with a replaceable cap that effectively seals the cleaner from escaping over time. The cap won't get knocked out of place either, seeing as it's the same shape as the can itself. Gumout's Jet Spray Cleaner begins to work immediately, dissolving carbon deposits before it dries clean moments later. That means you won't have to scrub or wipe away nasty residue. Number 5. B12 Chemtel Carburetor Cleaner. Berryman's B12 Chemtel Cleaner uses high-energy solvent technology to eliminate gum, varnish, residuals, and deposits from the carburetor and its linkage, throttle body, PCV valve, automatic choke, and distributor shaft. It's designed to improve problems such as a rough idle, loss of acceleration, and stalling. The product is also oxygen sensor and catalytic converter safe. This cleaner does a great job of removing grease, oil, and grime off of metal surfaces. It also has enough pressure to remove deposits from hard-to-reach places. Overall, it's a good quality product that saves you a lot of time, as you may not need to remove the carburetor to clean it, depending on the project. Number 4. Gunk Carburetor and Parts Cleaner. Gunk's cleaner removes carbon, grime deposits, grease, and oil. It has a drip basket inside the 96-ounce can and is ideal for cleaning small engine parts, as well as other metal parts in your garage or shop. The manufacturer notes that it is an environmentally friendly product that is non-corrosive and non-chlorinated without ozone depleters. The cleaner has a brightener that creates a factory-like appearance. The basket makes it easy for you to drop the carbs into the can and easily retrieve them, making it ideal for small carburetors. It also works quickly and doesn't discolor metal. Number 3. 3M Throttle Plate. The 3M Throttle Plate and Carb Cleaner removes residue and cleans and lubricates carburetor assemblies and the throttle body. It has an ergonomic trigger for more control, and the nozzle design allows you to use the product when the can is upside down. It's designed to make vehicles run smoother and start more easily. The product works as described, and according to several users, it clears engine codes and increases fuel economy. It's a great cleaner if you want to fix fuel issues, and it's a lot less expensive compared to consulting a professional mechanic. You will notice an overall boost in your vehicle's performance after using this product. Number 2. Berryman 0996. This is definitely one of the best carb cleaners you would find in the market. It makes our list of 9 best carburetor cleaners due to its simplicity to use, non-flammable, and non-chlorinated composition, as well as its effectiveness in cleaning out debris quickly. Number 1. Gumout 510021. This product completes our list, and it is the first on the list to work through the fuel injectors. The function of this product is pretty simple. You simply have to pour it with your fuel, and as you drive on the road, It does the cleaning job without you having to lift your bonnet up at all. Isn't it such a fantastic product? Indeed, it is ideal for keeping a clean carburetor, and it does not require any mechanical know-how. It is one of the best carburetor cleaner fuel additives for small engines.